The second model year of Lincoln's new midsize SUV is the 2021 Corsair. The response has been generally positive, but sales are down this year. You won't be shocked because this SUV has had nearly 6 recalls since launch, 3 of which are for the 2021 model year. Even though the NHTSA has only officially acknowledged 12 complaints for 2021, when looking at what forums have to say, the actual numbers do vary quite a bit. Although this SUV's mechanical aspects have generally been reliable, electrical issues remain a source of ongoing worry. What are the most frequent problems with this Corsair model year, considering the predicted reliability is on the lower side? Let's find out. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Transmission issues. Even though it is not a common problem in this country, the NHTSA has acknowledged the complaint. Owners have reported sporadic shifting leg, sporadic jerks, and sputtering during acceleration. Despite the automaker allegedly knowing about the issue, there hasn't been a TCU firmware update. On a 2021 Corsair with less than 10,000 miles on the clock, the problem was discovered. Battery problems. The Lincoln Corsair is rumored to suddenly experience a complete electrical blackout, according to complaints from many owners. It's claimed that everything, from the key fob to the dashboard displays, is broken. However, when this occurs, battery faults are ruled out and the voltages are said to be in a normal state. The battery terminal needed to be disconnected and connected in order to solve this problem, according to the only suggested solution. Owners have voiced their complaints regarding this persistent issue, particularly when attempting to start the SUV. The automaker has not yet released an official statement on this matter. Suspension problems. Although it is not a widespread problem, the NHTSA has acknowledged user complaints about the 2021 Corsair's suspension struts failing too soon. There was a suspension-related recall for the prior model year, but the problem was distinct. Airbags issues. The NHTSA has officially reported a few incidents in which the airbags on the 2021 Lincoln Corsair failed to inflate in the event of a collision. Additionally, one injury has been officially reported related to this problem. The automaker hasn't made any official statements about this issue. Forward collision avoidance. Driver assistance system issues with the 2021 Corsair have been reported by owners. The vehicle on the freeway is said to have abruptly slowed down due to the malfunctioning road sign recognition system, which is said to read signs from adjustment service lane. Steering. The Lincoln Corsair's heated steering is rumored to operate erratically. Owners complain that even if it does, the system still shuts off before the steering reaches the desired temperatures. Although the automaker has not released a firmware update on this issue, it is claimed that it occurs frequently. Infotainment system. The NHTSA has acknowledged complaints about the 2021 Lincoln Corsair's faulty parking camera system. When the SUV is in reverse, owners complain that the screen goes blank. Customers frequently experience this problem, so the automaker decided to launch a recall that resulted in an infotainment system firmware update. In relation to the SUV Lincoln Corsair from 2021, there are 6 recalls. Fuel delivery module may leak, rearview camera image may not display, insufficient welds and high voltage battery, engine compartment fire risk, and seatbelt warning system malfunction. Should you buy a used Lincoln Corsair? Regarding the market, the Lincoln Corsair is an SUV that is still in its infancy. Even though J.D. Power gives it excellent ratings for quality and dependability, this has not always been the case in real-world ownership, especially when it comes to dependability. On this SUV, electrical hiccups are a given, and the majority of them haven't yet received workable fixes from the manufacturer. Don't get us wrong, the 2021 Lincoln Corsair is one of the most opulent and fully equipped midsize SUVs in its class, but as things stand, it would be wiser to wait until they fix the majority of the issues because after the warranty expires, it will be very expensive to repair or replace things.